Here I'm going to show you how I create such intense colour on this beautiful Oriental Poppy using watercolour. Hi, I'm Marie and welcome to my watercolour tutorials. To create such deep, richly coloured flowers, I build my colour up in layers using quite saturated mixes of paint where I want the colour to be at its deepest. And then cleaning off my brush and using it just damp to blend the deepest, richest areas out into the lighter, paler ones on the flower. It's really important to use the contrast of the darkest areas with the lighter or highlighted parts of the flower. This really creates depth and helps your flower to just pop off the paper, as it has a real three-dimensional quality to it. I continually work my way across my flower, strengthening up the deepest areas, allowing each layer to dry completely before I come back and add to the darker areas of it again. And as long as I'm allowing the first layers to dry, I can continue doing this until I'm happy with the strength of colour that I achieve. It's really important to make sure the underneath layers are dry before you add another layer. And I also work quite quickly so as not to disturb the paint that I've already put down, as this will happen if the layer becomes too wet again. So it's just a matter of laying down your thicker mixture of paint over the top of the layer quite quickly and then just leaving it alone completely to dry. I also make sure that the dark edges within the petals where the black meets the red are blended and soft, so that when I add the red I am able to get a smooth transition from one colour into the next on the same petal. And again I'm working quite quickly so that the colours don't muddy into each other. So if you've enjoyed this techniques video, please like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming video tutorials. And if you'd like to give the full step-by-step tutorial a go, just pop on over to the Watercolor Members Club where you can take a look and sign up. You'll find the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.